Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Arrange your base of 4 to 6 nuggets on parchment, close together. Use toothpicks at 45-degree angles to lock adjacent pieces. This creates shear strength. Once the base is pinned, add one layer only. Do not stack more than 2 rows until stabilized, because soft centers will bend. Make sure to work quickly while nuggets remain slightly warm, since that warmth makes the breading tackier and easier to join with the pins. Once the base is set, stand nuggets on their edges to form walls, inserting toothpicks through contact points every ½ inch to 1 inch. This distributes load. Alternate orientation for each row so seams are staggered. This prevents straight weak lines. After 2 rows, insert internal braces. Run horizontal crossbins between opposite walls to lock the structure. Make sure to press pins fully into the core, but not through to the surface so the exterior looks neat. To finish, lay a cap of overlapping nuggets and gently pin at each junction to spread load across the roof. If walls sag, chill the whole fort for 10 to 15 minutes. Cooling firms the interior and stabilizes joints. If a collapse happens, focus on rebuilding corners first, then add diagonal braces across broad spans. This redirects forces away from weak seams. Finally, serve or display quickly, because prolonged warmth will soften joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.